Hello and welcome to L4V Vans. I'm Dean Cassar, I'm the Business Development Manager. And today I want to show you the L4V Vans van alarm. It's a new alarm from L4V Vans and it is the only Thatcham certified alarm dedicated to LCVs. So under the bonnet we've got the siren. It's not your standard siren that you find with other alarm kits. We've included what we call the anti-sabotage bracket, meaning it's not as easy to reach under the hood and remove the bracket in an attack. Moving on to the cab area, we include what we call ultrasonics in the cab. Should the window be broken, that will sound the siren and alert the owner to a potential attack on the vehicle. So what really sets this alarm apart from the rest is what we do to the load area. Bearing in mind the load area is the most important part of your vehicle, usually carrying all the goods and tools and equipment, and it's the area you want to protect. We've included a battery backup siren, fully hardwired into the vehicle. And this is where the hard wiring stops once you've fitted your siren. Again, with the siren in the rear, we've included the anti-sabotage bracket, preventing removal, or easy removal of the bracket under attack. So to combat against current attack methods, the peel and steal attack, our alarm has a feature built in that includes anti-peel door sensors. As you can see, our peel sensor is fully wireless, so there is no wiring running through looms or anything like that through the cab. It's completely wireless. Once contact is broken via peeling of the door, the siren externally under the bonnet and the siren internally inside the load area will sound, deafening you if you are in there. Should all of our peel sensors be ignored by would-be thief and they attempt to cut a hole in the roof, you're protected. So we include a wireless PIR sensor that you can attach to the back of the vehicle and be anywhere in the back, it's your choice. And that will detect a hole cut in the roof and sound the siren for added protection. Don't just take my word for it, let's demonstrate the alarm, see how it really works.